how to recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. So if you want to recover deleted photos or videos from your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Snapchat application. Now go with your profile, which will be in the top left, and then go with settings, which will be on the top right. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of My Data, which will be on the bottom. Tap on it. Once done, you need to scroll down, and if you want to recover your deleted photos and videos, then you just need to simply go and select Export Your Memories and tap on Request Only Memories, and here you need to go and select the date range. So I'll go and select last week, go and confirm your email and tap on Submit, which will be on the bottom. Now just wait for a few seconds and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, Snapchat is creating a copy of your files. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. So just wait for a few days. You may receive the email in a few hours or in a few days, depending on your data. So that's how you can recover your deleted photos and videos from your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.